severe weather today, with heavy rain causing widespread damage. On the island of Paros, torrential rain swept away vehicles and caused extensive damage. A powerful storm lashed the Greek island of Paros on Monday, triggering widespread flooding and prompting authorities to close schools and impose a ban on all traffic except emergency vehicles. Greece. Footage shows cars being swept away by the water as the island of Paros was hit hard with heavy downpours on Monday. Down a road that turned into river after the island of #Paros was hit by heavy rain on Monday.
Oh, Cristiano. Oh, Cristiano.
Έσπασαν το τοίχο για να φύγει το νερό, κοίτα εδώ. Τραπέζια φύγανε όλα μαλάκα. Όλα ρε τον πούτσο σου. Έσπασε την πέργολα, ναι ρε. Έχει σπάσει την πέργολα του Ζορμπά, κοίτα εδώ. Αυτό σου έχει ρίξει και εμένα κατσίνα στον κόλλο να πας στο μέσα και εσύ. Το αμάξι δεν ενοχλούσε ρε παιδιά εκεί.
Heavy rainfall in the island's holiday towns of Parakia and Nausa caused floodwaters that surged through streets, carrying cars and debris past whitewashed buildings. There was no immediate reports of injuries. The authorities ordered schools on Paros to remain closed on Tuesday, while the Civil Protection Service sent cell phone alerts instructing residents to stay indoors. Municipal crews and private contractors worked to clear roads blocked by fallen rocks, while emergency services rescued stranded motorists. Other nearby islands in the Cyclades group, which is southeast of the mainland in the Aegean Sea, remain under severe weather warnings.
Ωραία,
Δεν το θέλαμε αυτό. Αυτό δεν μας χρειαζόταν.
Μπορκή δεν θέλαμε. Μπορκή δεν θέλαμε.
Το θέλαμε λέτε.
Δεν θέλαμε μπορκή.
Σε μένα κάτω, χρυσή αρχή, έβρεξε δυνατά, 10-12 πόντους. Εδώ είμαστε, στην Πάρο είμαστε. Εδώ, Πάρο. Εδώ κοιτάξτε τι γίνεται.